Once upon a time, in the enchanting land of Eldoria, there existed a mystical forest known as Evergreen. It was said that within this ancient forest, the boundaries between the real world and the realm of fantasy were blurred. Evergreen was home to majestic creatures, towering trees with shimmering leaves, and ethereal beings who possessed extraordinary powers. At the heart of the forest stood the Tree of Whispers, a magnificent tree that shimmered with an otherworldly glow. Legend had it that anyone who could decipher the whispers of the tree would be granted a wish of unimaginable power. Many brave souls ventured into Evergreen, seeking the tree's wisdom and the fulfillment of their deepest desires. Among those drawn to the forest was a young woman named Aurora. She possessed a rare gift, a voice that could heal and bring harmony to any living thing. Her melodic songs had the power to mend broken hearts and soothe restless spirits. Aurora's journey led her to Evergreen, where she hoped to find the answers she sought. As she ventured deeper into the enchanted forest, Aurora encountered a variety of enchanting creatures. A mischievous pixie led her through shimmering groves, where fireflies danced in perfect harmony with the melodies of nature. Graceful unicorns with flowing manes galloped beside her, their eyes reflecting an ancient wisdom. Aurora's heart swelled with awe and wonder as she realized the true magic that surrounded her. On her quest, Aurora faced challenges and encountered dark forces that sought to exploit the power of the Tree of Whispers. The forest's guardian, a wise old owl named Orion, guided her through treacherous trials, imparting ancient knowledge and strength along the way. With each step, Aurora's courage and resolve grew, driven by her pure heart and unwavering belief in the power of love and harmony. Finally, after a perilous journey, Aurora stood before the Tree of Whispers. Its branches reached toward the heavens, shimmering with an iridescent light that cast a radiant glow upon her face. As Aurora closed her eyes, she listened intently to the whispers of the tree, the harmonious melodies that resonated through her soul. With the knowledge she gained, Aurora made her wish. She wished not for power or riches, but for the restoration of balance and harmony in both the magical and human realms. As her wish spread through the forest, the dark forces that had threatened Evergreen began to fade away, replaced by renewed hope and tranquility. In the wake of Aurora's wish, Evergreen transformed into a place of unparalleled beauty and serenity. Creatures of all kinds lived harmoniously, and the magic of the forest thrived. Aurora's name became legendary, whispered among the inhabitants of Eldoria for generations to come.
A young woman whose voice healed a fractured world became the most attractive and beautiful fantasy tale ever told. A timeless reminder of the transformative power of love, courage, and the unyielding belief in the magic that exists within us all. Let's explore some vocabulary from the story. 1. Enchanting. Having a magical or captivating quality. Example: the enchanting melodies of the forest filled the air with a sense of wonder. 2. Ethereal. Delicate, light, and heavenly. Example: the ethereal beings glided through the forest with grace and elegance. 3. Majestic, grand, impressive, and beautiful. Example: the majestic creatures of Evergreen commanded respect with their regal presence. 4. Shimmering, gleaming or shining with a soft, flickering light. Example: the leaves of the trees in Evergreen shimmered like liquid gold in the sunlight. 5. Melodic, pleasant sounding and musical. Example: Aurora's melodic voice echoed through the forest, captivating all who heard it. 6. Mischievous, playfully naughty or causing trouble in a harmless way. Example: the mischievous pixie led Aurora on a whimsical journey through the magical groves. 7. Tranquility, calmness and peacefulness. Example: Evergreen emanated a sense of tranquility, allowing visitors to find inner peace. 8. Treacherous, dangerous, and unpredictable. Example: Aurora faced treacherous trials on her quest to reach the Tree of Whispers. 9. Ancient, very old or from a long time ago. Example: The ancient owl, Orion, possessed wisdom that had been accumulated over centuries. 10. Serenity. The state of being calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Example. Standing before the Tree of Whispers, Aurora felt a deep sense of serenity wash over her. Here are a few more vocabulary words from the story. 11. Harmony. A state of agreement or peaceful coexistence. Example. The creatures of Evergreen lived in harmony, each respecting the other's presence. 12. Awe. A feeling of wonder and amazement. Example. Aurora looked upon the magical creatures with awe, amazed by their beauty and grace. 13. Resolve. Determination and firmness of purpose. Example. Aurora's resolve to fulfill her quest never wavered, despite the challenges she faced. 14. Perilous, extremely dangerous or risky. Example. Aurora braved the perilous journey through the dark forest, guided by her unwavering spirit. 15. Unyielding, not giving in to pressure or bending under force. Example. Aurora's unyielding belief in the power of love kept her going, even in the face of adversity. 16. Captivating, fascinating, and holding one's attention. Example. The captivating story of Aurora's journey through Evergreen left a lasting impression on all who heard it. 17. Tranquil, calm, and peaceful. Example. The tranquil atmosphere of Evergreen enveloped Aurora, soothing her troubled thoughts. 18. Flourish, to thrive and prosper. Example. Once balance was restored, the magical creatures of Evergreen began to flourish once again. 19. Divided, split, or separated into different parts. Example. Aurora's voice had the power to heal a divided world, bringing people together in harmony. 20. Transformative, causing a significant change or transformation. Example. Aurora's wish had a transformative effect on Evergreen, turning it into a place of unparalleled beauty. Here are some grammar points from the story that we can focus on. Verb tenses. The story uses a variety of verb tenses to describe actions and events. Pay attention to the use of past tense. Egg, existed, stood, ventured. Past continuous tense. Egg was home, were blurred. Present tense. Egg, stands, shimmer. And present perfect tense. Egg, have encountered, has sought. Adjective order. When multiple adjectives are used to describe a noun, they usually follow a specific order. For example, a young woman and a rare gift follow the pattern of opinion /size /age /shape /color /nationality plus noun. Comparative and superlative forms. The story uses comparisons to describe the degree of certain qualities. Look for comparative forms, egg, more special, taller trees, and superlative forms, egg, most captivating, unmatched beauty. Conditional sentences. The story mentions hypothetical situations using conditional sentences. Notice the structure of these sentences, such as if they could understand, and if they wished for power or wealth. Prepositions. Pay attention to the use of prepositions to indicate location and movement. For instance, in the enchanting land, through the magical forest, and at the center of the forest. Direct and indirect speech. The story includes reported speech when relaying what characters said. Observe the changes in verb tense and pronoun usage when converting direct speech into indirect speech.